SFTP, or SSH File Transfer Protocol, provides a service that works like FTP using a secure shell connection instead of an FTP connection. Because SSH is encrypted, this provides a higher level of protection for the login information and the data in transit. Because SFTP works over the same port as SSH, server administrators can get away with just having one port open to the outside world. You'll recall that FTP opens ports ad hoc, or as needed, to transfer data, but SFTP routes everything through one port. That makes it a lot easier to control and makes it a lot more resilient to different network environments. Plus, you get it for free by enabling Secure Shell on a host. For all intents and purposes, using SFTP is pretty much the same as FTP. Most of the FTP clients available for the major platforms also support SFTP, and so the operation is identical. Often, using SFTP is just a checkbox away in the connection dialog. The biggest difference comes with the command line. There's no console SFTP client for Windows, and on Linux and Mac OS X, you'll need to type SFTP instead of FTP and specify your information there as well. For example, if I were to connect to example.com with the user Mary, with FTP I'd type FTP, press enter, write open example.com, press enter, and then enter my credentials. With SFTP, I put it all at the command line. I write SFTP, my username, at my domain. And if I need to specify a port, I'd add that as well with the -o port equals option. And in the case where your username has an @ sign in it, you would use the -o user equals me@mywebsite.com for the username, followed by the server, in this case, example.com. Beyond that, the syntax of the commands are the same. Just type question mark to list them at the command line. If you want to find out more about SSH, check out Understanding SSH here on lynda.com.